Ever notice how a barista remembering your order makes you feel special? That's the magic of personal connection. It's what turns a one-time customer into a lifelong fan. In creative businesses like interior design, people buy feelings, not just things. You're not just selling a sofa, you're building a sanctuary. Trust is built on remembering the little things, like Brenda hating beige, Tom's wool allergy, or Bartholomew the dog's velvet obsession. If you forget, you're not just making a design mistake, you're showing you weren't listening. Now, multiply those details by dozens of clients. Your brain can't keep up. We crave that small town, personal feel, but business moves at internet speed. Clients expect instant, personalized responses. If you're slow, they'll find someone else. Fast. People want to feel like they're your only client. If you can deliver that, you're not just a designer, you're a magician. And in today's world, being quick and personal isn't a bonus, it's the whole game. The right tools help you remember, respond, and connect every time. That's how you turn clients into raving fans. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present. And that's the real secret to unforgettable service. Remember the Rolodex? It was our first attempt at keeping track of clients. Cute, but clunky. Then came spreadsheets. More advanced, but still a headache to manage. Enter the modern CRM, Customer Relationship Management Software. Today's CRM is your business's brain. It remembers every conversation, every detail, every preference. No more lost notes or deleted files. It's like having a perfect memory, minus the stress. CRMs now track emails, log calls, and remind you to follow up. They even show you what clients looked at on your website. It's like a helpful assistant who never forgets. Instead of chasing info, it's all at your fingertips. The leap from spinning cards to smart software is huge. Now, your tools work for you, not the other way around. That's the CRM. Glow up, less chaos, more connection. It's the backbone of a modern, thriving business. And it's how you stay personal, even as you grow. So, what does a CRM actually do? It's your digital command center. Every client detail, preferences, allergies, even their dog's quirks lives in one place. No more digging through emails or sticky notes. It tracks every conversation, so you always pick up right where you left off. Imagine greeting a client by name and remembering their favorite color effortlessly. CRMs also manage your workflow tasks, deadlines, team assignments, all streamlined. Nothing falls through the cracks. The result? Happier clients who feel truly cared for. You deliver top-notch service every time. It's not just about managing data. It's about building real relationships. A CRM turns chaos into clarity. And that's how you make every client feel like your only client. Interior design is a business of details. Mood boards, orders, schedules, feedback. Trying to juggle it all in your head. Disaster waiting to happen. Enter CRM, your chaos tamer. Take Sarah, a talented designer who once mixed up projects and ordered the wrong sofa fabric. Ouch! With a CRM, every project has its own digital folder. Notes, choices, dimensions, all organized. No more costly mistakes. For design teams, a CRM means any team member can instantly see a client's full history. Clients get a seamless, professional experience. Project timelines and milestones are clear with automatic reminders for you and your clients. Everyone knows what's happening and when. No more awkward "where's my sofa" calls. Transparency and professionalism go up. Stress and confusion go down. A CRM turns design chaos into a graceful process. You focus on creativity. The system handles the rest. That's how you design dreams without the drama. Content creation eats up time. Blog posts, social media, newsletters. You need to market yourself, but you're busy designing. Enter AI-powered content tools. Give them a topic and tone, and they generate drafts in seconds. It's like having a junior copywriter who never sleeps. You still add your personal touch, but the heavy lifting is done. The result? More time for clients and creativity. Plus, your brand voice stays consistent everywhere. These tools even help with SEO, making you easier to find online. Let the robots handle the blank page. You focus on what you do best, design. Now, imagine your CRM and content tools working together. Your CRM knows what clients love. Your AI writer crafts personalized messages. Send Brenda an email about eco-friendly decor because your CRM remembers her style. Or Target Kitchen Renovation leads with tailored tips and project showcases. It's marketing that feels personal, not pushy. You build trust and relationships automatically. Data becomes your secret weapon for connection. You're not blasting generic messages. You're having real conversations at scale. Even review requests and referrals can be automated, yet feel personal. This is how you turn information into loyalty. Smart tools, smarter marketing. You stay top of mind without lifting a finger. That's the power of tech, done right. Ready to dive in? Great, but remember, tools are only as good as the person using them. Invest time in training and learning your CRM and automation tools, but never lose the human touch. Automation handles the busy work, so you can focus on real connections. Don't automate everything. A robot can't share a laugh or offer reassurance. Use tech to free up time for empathy, creativity, and presence. Let automation handle reminders. You make the follow-up call. Use AI to draft content. You add your unique voice. Think of these tools as your backstage crew. You're still the star. Embrace tech to become more efficient, not less human. While others drown in paperwork, you'll run a smooth personal business. Let the robots handle the boring stuff. You've got beautiful rooms to design,